Dreams create greatness. Established in 1993, Jiangsu Yawei Transformer Company Limited covers a total area of over 800,000 square meters and generates annual sales revenue approaching $1 billion. Yawei has around 3,000 employees, including more than 300 engineering and technical professionals. We are committed to providing products, services, and integrated solutions for the power manufacturing industry. Yawei specializes in the R&D and manufacturing of a full range of transformers, with voltage classes up to 750 kilovolts. The company's product range includes UHV 750 kilovolts, EHV 500 kilovolts, 400 kilovolts, 220 kilovolts, and 110 kilovolts power transformers, various dry-type transformers, oil-immersed transformers, amorphous alloy transformers of 35 kilovolts and below, new energy transformers, prefabricated substations, vehicle-mounted mobile substations, integrated inverter and step-up converter. Export products include three-phase pad-mounted transformers, single-phase pad-mounted transformers, single-phase pole-mounted transformers, isolation transformers, control transformers, voltage regulators, etc., as well as special products such as grounding transformers, arc suppression coils, prefabricated cabin substation, reactors, electric furnace transformer, phase shifting rectifier transformer, CSD marine, mining transformers of various specifications. Yawei's product portfolio covers over 90% of transformer categories. Yawei manufactures iron cores and winding assemblies in-house, including electromagnetic wires, oil tanks, radiators, and insulation materials. Leveraging vertically integrated production, we deliver industry-leading lead times, 10 to 35 kilovolts oil-immersed transformers in 20 days, 110 to 220 kilovolts power transformers in 30 to 60 days, and 330 to 500 kilovolts power transformers in 90 to 120 days. Core Workshop: 28 sets of slitting and cut-to-length lines, 5 automatic stacking machines with a daily core output of up to 100 tons. Power Transformer Workshop: 30 sets of winding equipment, 3 kerosene vapor phase drying equipment, capable of producing 1 unit of 220 kilovolts and below power transformer every 3 days. Distribution Transformer Workshop: 94 sets of high-end low-voltage winding equipment, utilizing a vacuum oil filling process, with a daily output of 100 units. Dry-type Transformer Workshop: 52 sets of high-end low-voltage winding equipment, 5 casting equipment, with a daily output of 50 units. Sheet Metal Workshop: intelligent fully automatic blanking lines and automatic welding robots. 500 kilowatts Workshop, EHV Clean Workshop. Overhead crane load capacity 400 tons. Air cushion suspension vehicle load capacity 400 tons. Port toter load capacity 200 tons. Supporting customized products. Advanced processes are integrated into every step of production, demonstrating Yawei's uncompromising commitment to quality. Backed by years of dedicated manufacturing and project experience, Yawei has delivered solutions across a wide range of applications. We have established long-term partnerships with power utilities and many well-known customers, earning broad recognition and lasting trust. Driven by our technical expertise, our product portfolio continues to expand, serving diverse applications across the power sector, industrial projects, new energy, data centers, transportation, and marine engineering. Quality is the foundation of sustainable growth. Guided by our values, ambition, dedication, professionalism, and shared responsibility, Yawei adheres to the quality policy of quality first, customer-centric. Yawei implements strict quality control measures throughout every stage of production to ensure consistent product performance. Our products undergo comprehensive testing by recognized authorities, including the National Transformer Quality Supervision and Inspection Center and the China Electric Power Research Institute. In addition, our products comply with international standards and certifications, including IEC, International Electrical Technical Commission, UL, America, TUV, Germany, CSA, Canada, CE, Europe, CAMA, Netherlands, and GHOST, Russia. The company's products are sold globally, exported to 89 countries and regions including the United States, Europe, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the Middle East, Central Asia, and Southeast Asia. To better support overseas customers, Yawei has established after-sales service centers in Europe, North America, and Central Asia. Over the years, Yawei has earned numerous honors and recognitions. Our track record reflects our capabilities today and our commitment to building an even stronger future. Facing the future, Yawei will continue to focus on green energy and smart grid construction, increase R&D investment, expand our global footprint, and deepen customer partnerships, and strive to become a world-leading supplier of power equipment solutions. We look forward to working with partners worldwide to accelerate the energy transition and create a more sustainable future.